This is my Lil Indian 600. I purchased this about, let's say 2 years ago for like 70 bucks. It didn't have the brake or this here. It was missing the seat braces up here that I had somebody put. It was missing the front wheel, the original, so I was able to get that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start restoring it. I already sanded a little bit of it. I'm gonna go ahead and also send it to powder coating, but first I want to get an engine in and see how it works. I plan on putting 3-horse Briggs, and because this is a 600, we need a jack shaft. Originally it came with the 2-speed, but I don't have the 2-speed parts and they're very hard to find, so I'm just going to do a jack shaft setup. So in order for me to put the jack shaft here, I can't really put it on the engine hose, because then it's going to hit here where our cable comes through. So in order to line up to here, I would need to make new hose, but I don't want to make new hose. So I'm going to go ahead and create a plate, an engine plate that goes on top of this, and that I'll be able to move the jack shaft where I need it. So here's the engine plate. I've gone ahead and made the hose for the old engine plate, and then the new ones where we want the jack shaft plate to move. So it looks something like this. I cleaned it up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and install it, and you'll see. So this is the engine I have. It's a 3 horsepower. I did some modifications a while back, but for some reason right now it's not running properly. Something happened to the coil. We're gonna fix that. I believe the key fell off from the flywheel, so we have to fix that. This is a modification I did. It's just some flat bar to hold this tank. We're gonna fix this. It's got a PZ19, and I believe this is comes a intake manifold, which works pretty good. And this is just some pipe that I got for now, and then it's got your clutch there. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what's going on with this engine, because it's not working. As you can see, I have a split key. I have a replacement. I will put a new one, and hopefully that will fix the issue. again. So as you guys heard, I think I have a suspicion that the key broke again. So I'm gonna open it up and see if it did. If it broke, I'm gonna have to figure something out as an engine for this Little Indian. After taking the flywheel, we can see that we need another engine because this is a split key here. I think I have a Tecumseh, and we're going to go ahead and try that one out for the Little Indian. It's a Tecumseh 5 horsepower, I believe. It needs a little bit of just clean up. I'm going to put a filter in there. I know this one works. I've tried it. We need to put a carburetor and get it running. Let's see how this works. First, we need to see if it's going to fit on the bike. So the Tecumseh fits here. I'll figure out what we're going to do about the tank and the exhaust. But we are probably going to put a PZ27 on it. I'm not sure if it might be too fast for that. I might start off with the 19 and then go up with the 27. This engine's run, I've turned it on before and everything's kind of good. So it's probably just changing the oil, putting in the carburetor, and that's what we're going to do in the next episode. To follow the series, please like and subscribe. In the next part, we're going to put a running engine and hopefully get the bike running and ready to go. In the meantime, you can go ahead and check out one of my other videos on my Murray Track 2 build, or how to convert your mini bike into a hydraulic brake.